Where the sky meets the sea. There are places in the world that shout for attention. Eleuthera does not. She does not compete. She does not perform. She does not rush to impress. She simply exists, long, narrow, and steady in the Atlantic, shaped by wind, salt, and time. As evening settled in, the sky softened into pink and lavender. The clouds moved slowly, catching the last of the light. The water beneath them rolled in calmly, steady and familiar, changing color as the sun dipped lower. The sand here is not just sand. It is pale and soft, sometimes tinged with the faintest blush, fine enough to slip through your fingers like powder. When the tide rolls in, it leaves behind smooth ribbons along the shore, delicate patterns that disappear as quickly as they are made. The sound of Eleuthera is not noise. It is water folding onto itself. It is wind moving through sea grape leaves. It is the hush between waves. There is a depth to this island that many never see. From the surface, it is beaches and blue water. But if you stand still long enough, you begin to notice the subtleties. The way the color of the sea changes by the minute. How the clouds gather far offshore and release rain in soft, distant curtains. How the light before sunset feels almost sacred in its gentleness. Eleuthera is not polished. She is not predictable. The roads can be uneven. The power can flicker. The grocery shelves can empty before they are restocked. Living on an island means surrendering to rhythm instead of schedule. But the island gives back in ways that are quieter and far more lasting. She gives you horizon, uninterrupted and honest. She gives you sky, wide enough to hold every thought. She gives you water, clear enough to remind you how simple beauty can be. There are mornings when the ocean is a mirror, evenings when storms gather far out at sea, painting the horizon in silver and violet, days when the sun strikes the sand so brightly it almost glows, and nights when the stars scatter themselves without competition from city lights. Eleuthera does not demand admiration. She rewards attention. You have to look slowly. You have to listen carefully. You have to allow the stillness to settle. And when you do, you begin to understand that the true beauty of this island is not in spectacle, but in subtlety, in the intricate layering of sky, water, wind, and earth working together without interruption. She is steady. She is elemental. She is serene. And she has been this way long before any of us arrived, and will remain long after we are gone.